Magnolia. It's Mimosa Sunday. Cheers. And I might need another one after doing this gas cap. So we're replacing the stock no cover filler cap with a brand new Mopar filler cap. So what we did so far is we took off the rear tail light. You only have to do these 2 screws. The other ones just hold the plastic cover on. This Jeep was towed behind an RV before I purchased it, so it has extra lights. So we took the lights apart, we numbered them 1, 2, and 3, and then the other side so we'd know which goes back together with which. We took the gasket off. I put some nice 303 aerospace on it to lubricate it and make it easier to put on. And so we've got it back together inside the housing. And now we're going to put this back in. There's a little dot here that you want to line up. And then we're going to push it in.
Your dot is not lined up. Thank you.
There, now my dot's lined up. And actually that slipped on, boom, very easily. Went right over, the gasket went right over. Push in here. There was a little bit of a bump out right here on the metal, so I don't know, maybe that won't seat any better than that. It is seated inside, I can tell. When I look in there, I can see where the little, I don't know, button thing is. So, anyways, it is seated in there, so there we go. Oh, and then we get the fuel cap cover back, and there's this little button piece, and we'll push that in. There we go, that snapped in. There we go, and boom. There, we have a nice new fuel filler cap. Thank you, and have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with you shortly to show you my new Rubicon wheels I got for my Jeep. Thank you. Have a good Sunday.